How does Samsung TV warranty work? Samsung TV warranty provides coverage for manufacturing defects and hardware malfunctions for a limited period, ensuring free repairs or replacements under specific conditions. The warranty duration and terms may vary by country and TV model, but it typically includes 1 year of coverage for parts and labor. Customers can also purchase extended warranty plans for additional protection. First, standard warranty coverage. Samsung TVs usually come with a 1-year limited warranty, covering defects in materials and workmanship. This means Samsung will repair or replace faulty components at no cost if the issue is not caused by accidental damage or misuse. 2. What the warranty does not cover. The warranty does not cover physical damage, water damage, power surges, unauthorized repairs, or normal wear and tear. Issues caused by mishandling, improper installation, or modifications are also excluded from free repairs. 3. How to claim warranty service. To request warranty service, customers need to provide proof of purchase and contact Samsung support via phone, online chat, or an authorized service center. Samsung may offer on-site repair, mail-in service, or technician visits depending on the TV model and location. 4th, extended warranty and Samsung Care Plus. Samsung offers extended warranty options, such as Samsung Care Plus, which provides longer coverage, accidental damage protection, and priority service for an additional fee. Customers can purchase extended warranties at the time of TV purchase or before the standard warranty expires. 5. Repair or replacement process. If a defect is confirmed, Samsung will either repair the TV for free, replace it with a refurbished unit, or offer an exchange based on the warranty terms. If the issue is not covered, Samsung provides paid repair options through authorized service centers. 6. Checking warranty status and support. Customers can check their TV's warranty status on the Samsung website by entering the model and serial number. Samsung also provides support through its customer service team and official service centers for further assistance. Samsung TV warranty ensures protection against manufacturing defects and offers repair or replacement services under specific conditions. With options for extended coverage and additional support, customers can safeguard their investment and enjoy peace of mind.